Hello everyone, my name is Nova. I want to tell you about my trip to Curug, a beautiful waterfall at the foot of Mount Gede Pangrango. The equipment we brought included a tumbler for drinking water, a foldable jerry can to collect water, and a nesting set, complete with spoon for cooking and eating. We also packed in some food and biscuit as our main supplies, along with a portable stove and gas for cooking, and a glass mug. Lastly, we brought a first aid kit to prepare for any emergencies during the trip. We started our journey at 7:13 in the morning, beginning with a trail along the asphalt road and passing by the local residents' houses. Not far from the local residence, we entered a fast-growing tea plantation surrounded by beautiful mountain views that made the journey even more enjoyable. The asphalt road finally came to an end, and the journey continued on a rocky gravel path leading us to the tea plantation. After a long rocky gravel path, we finally entered a trail that led us into the lush and untouched forest. At this spot, we took a short break to rest and recover our energy after the long journey. After taking a short break, we continued our journey through the dense forest, heading toward our destination, CURUG Waterfall. Not long into the journey, we could already hear the sound of floating water, which meant we were getting close to our destination. Along the way, we crossed several small rivers with slippery paths and challenging obstacles. At last, we reached CURUG Waterfall, hidden within the beautiful wilderness of Mount Gede Pangrango National Park. After enjoying our time playing in the waterfall, we cooked some instant food to satisfy our hunger and, of course, made some coffee to keep our bodies warm. We then made your back, retracing the same paths as before, working together in unity and good teamwork. After hours of trekking through the forest, we made it back to the starting point near the tea plantation. Feeling tired from the journey, we stopped for a while to rest and regain our energy. We continued our journey home in the late afternoon with the sky turning slightly cloudy. That's all for this short vlog about our adventure in nature. Thank you for coming along with us and see you in the next adventure. Goodbye.